Today we'll be creating your AI apparel brand from scratch using 100% free AI tools. By the end of this video, your AI designs will be live and for sale on apparel products. That means you'll be able to earn commissions as soon as today if you take action. That's right. If you want to follow along with me, I have prepared a Google Doc in the description to help you step by step, and it costs nothing to begin creating your passive income stream and apparel brand today. Let's go.
Show you how exactly you can start earning with your AI apparel brand. And if you're consistent over time, if you're dedicated, if you create beautiful art, can accomplish anything you set your mind to. To get started, we're going to do some product research for free on Amazon so that we can actually find a design concept and a product that people are actually buying and will actually pay us money for. So as we're scrolling through, you'll notice that I have a couple extensions. This one is free. It's called Productor by Merch by Amazon. And it's also going to give you some more details like the BSR rank. BSR, the way that this works is if it has a BSR of 1 million or above, it only sells every once in a while. 500,000 to 1 million, it sells a couple a week, and under 500,000 is a consistent daily regular seller. So the lower that it gets, the more sales that it has. So something like People Who Tolerate Me on a Daily Basis, they're the real heroes. This is doing really well at an 80,000 BSR. So here's a good one. It says Me Gusta, and it's a goose wearing a sombrero. This has 100 bought in the past month, and we're looking at 158,000 BSR. So this is selling daily, and I think that we can actually improve on this. We can create our own version with AI. So one thing that we can do is actually command space on Mac and type in screenshot. If you're on Windows, you can probably use the snippet tool and go ahead and grab a screenshot of that design, run over to ChatGPT, paste it into your prompt box or drag it in, ask it to create prompts and describe this image. And here I've pasted it in. I've asked it to describe this image and generate 3 prompts that could be used to generate similar AI art, and it's giving me 3 prompts. I'm going to go ahead and use the last prompt here, go over to ideogram, paste our prompt into the prompt box, and then at the end I'm going to go ahead and say vector t-shirt design suitable for a professional designed t-shirt. We're going to leave magic prompt on auto, and our aspect ratio, we're going to leave that on 1:1. We're going to hit public, generate, and then it's going to come back with a design. So this one here looks pretty good already. I'm pretty happy with it. We didn't have to change the prompt, but sometimes you may have to actually go in the prompt and add or remove things, but I'm really happy with this design. So before we move any further, we need to actually do a trademark search. I'm going to come over to a free tool called TM Hunt, and I'm going to type in Me Gusta, and we're going to go ahead and search what comes back. So nothing came back for partial match or exact match. You can go ahead and do split search if you wanted to do multiple lines to search multiple trademarks. But if something did come back live and it said that it had a trademark that was live for Me Gusta, then we want to avoid this design. So Me Gusta is clear. We don't need to worry about this one. We can go ahead and move forward. So we have our design, and we need to actually remove the background and make it larger without losing the quality before we can sell it on a product like a t-shirt or a hoodie. So let's go ahead and download this by hitting the 3 buttons up here, hit download, and then we're going to go over to this completely free image upscaler called dgb.lol. Go to tools and go to image upscaler. It has a weird name and it does have some Google ads on the side, but what you'll see is that you can upload up to 12 files, and once you upload them here, you can upscale them up to 8 times. So let's go ahead and select lambda 8 times, hit submit, and it's going to put that into a queue to be processed. So any images that you're upscaling and that you have in this queue, they'll all get batch processed together, so you can go off and do more research, you can create more designs, and then you can come back to the upscaled images. Let's use this free tool to remove the background called Clip Drop, and you can upload 10 designs at once. I'm just going to upload this one. I'm going to hit remove background, and then as you'll see, it will read the image and remove the background in one simple click. Now this is a basic design. The background was really easy to remove, but what if you try and use this tool and it doesn't remove the background correctly? What should you do then? Well, you're going to need something more advanced like Photoshop, but since this is a free tutorial, let me walk you through how to use Photopea, which is basically the same thing, but 100% free. So go ahead and hit new project. Once you're in Photopea, go ahead and hit dimensions of 4500 by 5400. We can hit create, and then let's toggle off the background. We're going to want to drag on our design that we're trying to remove the background from. And so now we've got our design in here. This is the upscaled version. We're going to go ahead and enlarge it a bit. And then this is how we're going to actually remove the background in Photopea. Select your magic wand tool, select the background color, and then it's going to create a selection around your text, around your design, around everything. Now, what we need to do, this is really important, is we need to actually go over to select, click inverse, and now we can click on this mask button down here, and it's going to remove the majority of the background. Now, you'll notice it left a little bit of our background. And the reason being for this might have been that we have contiguous selected. So if we deselect contiguous, this time you'll notice that it actually selected inside of the O's of the word goose. So this time we have the correct selection, and we'll go back, we'll hit select, inverse, make that mask down here in the bottom right, and now you'll see that the background is removed. I've also made it a little bit larger so that it fills out the space of our design a little bit better. So now our design is ready for monetization. We're ready to put this on a product and actually list it on a marketplace. Let's go. So to actually list our products and start making money, I recommend TeePublic because we can get started today, and it is 100% free. You just earn commissions. You don't even need to put in a credit card or anything like that. Good news with Amazon merch is that it's free. The bad news is it might take a while to get approved and to get accepted into the program. So selling on Amazon in a very similar way is possible, but it takes longer to get approved for. So I went with TeePublic for this video. Etsy is also an avenue to go down. However, it's now $15 to start a store, so that technically is not free either. You also need 20 cents per listing, but on TeePublic, they have over 75 products from stickers, tapestries, phone cases, mugs, and of course t-shirts. And you upload your design. I'll walk you through how to actually upload this design and get it on all these products. Basically, once a customer buys from TeePublic, you get a commission for having your design on that product. So, the commissions range based off of what you set the price to. You can change the price. For example, $22 is a $4 commission when it sells for you. And if you set it to $16, you get a $2 commission. So I usually like to aim for around $20 to $21 for something like a t-shirt. And that still leaves us with a really good commission. But that is totally up to you. I already have a TeePublic account. However, you're going to need one to continue with the tutorial. Link in the description. It's an affiliate link. Go ahead and create an account with that link, or don't. That's fine too. That's totally cool. But let's go ahead and move on to the upload-in process so that we can actually get these products up for sale. Once you have your TeePublic account, now we can hit upload design in the top right. We can either upload one file or multiple files. I'm just going to upload the one file we made earlier. And now we can fill in the title, main tag, description, and supporting tags, and we'll be able to upload from there. So for the title, I borrowed a little bit of inspiration from our competitors that are doing well. So some of the keywords that they used in their title and some of the tags that they used, and even some of the long tail keywords, all were very helpful to actually uncover what to use for the title, because the higher our conversion rate, which means the higher we rank on the actual search pages, which means we make more money as sellers. So we want to be sure that we're getting our SEO on point and that we're not missing anything. For the main tag, let's do animal puns. So you can use a free tool like Merch Titans Automation. This is going to basically pull up the best tags for your related keywords. You can also, again, go back over to the listing and look for the keywords that they used to successfully rank their listing. So I'm just going to use some of those keywords. And so TeePublic will also come back with some supporting tags that it thinks will also apply to your product. So goose lover, cute goose, goose meme. For the description, I really don't recommend overthinking this. It doesn't help you that much in search results or anything like that. So just write a short, witty one-liner. So let's just go ahead and copy the title, and then let's paste that title in. And then we can ask it to write a description in maybe 2 sentences for this design. So it's going to go through and write a basic description. And obviously, if you wanted to improve it, you could go in and edit it yourself, or make it more humorous, or ask ChatGPT to change it in some way. I like how it turned out, so I'm going to go ahead and grab it, copy it, and paste it into the description here. Remove that extra white space, and then you're going to move on to colors. So colors are going to be basically what is the default color that someone sees when they land on this product. So we want this to be white, and that's going to change these other products down here, like the tank top and the crew neck are automatically going to change to white as well. And then this hoodie, we're going to change this to vintage heather. And then this baseball tee, we're going to change to white and black. This kid's hoodie, we're going to change to red heather. So in this case, that's the best color that we have for that particular product. And then this one here, the best color we might have is maybe navy. So obviously there's a couple products here where the design doesn't look great because they don't have lighter colors, only the light colors where you can really see the entire design. So down here, we actually have the option to select light colors, dark colors, or both. And I'm just going to select the light colors in this particular case. But you can see, and we really, with one click, have pillows, t-shirts, hats, stickers, phone cases, and so many other products available for sale. So hit this agree to terms and conditions if you agree. You will also need to check whether this design has mature content. So in this case, I would say no, but if you had a more mature adult-based design, you would hit yes. And then you can come down here and select the terms and conditions and hit publish. So once you hit publish, it will be live for sale. You could earn a commission today. This is exactly what the page looks like. And someone can come in here and not only order a t-shirt, but they could potentially also order many other products in here as well with the same design that you earn a commission on if any of these and all of these sell. So what's next? You'll want to continue creating designs, continue listing them to TeePublic so that you can basically occupy more online real estate and generate more commissions for yourself. But you'll want to eventually sign up for Etsy because there's more traffic, there's more customers, and you're also going to be able to use the same designs that you sell here on TeePublic, but also on Etsy. I also recommend that you sign up for Amazon merch and get through that sign up process because it will take a little while. So just be persistent, keep applying, and same thing, you're gonna be able to use those same designs that you're making money off of here on TeePublic on Amazon merch as well. In order to actually sell your products on Etsy, Shopify, Walmart, eBay, etc., you're going to want to sign up for a free Printify account. Now, I've been using Printify myself for my own print-on-demand brands and for my clients, and I highly recommend them. They handle all the fulfillment. You can do custom products. Really the best way to scale out your apparel brand to Etsy, Shopify, Walmart. And if you're wanting to sell on Etsy, it's a must. I do have a link in the description below. Feel free to use that affiliate link or don't. That's fine too. And you're going to be able to immediately sign in and start applying your designs to different products like ornaments, coasters, t-shirts, puzzles. And I have a lot of different videos showing you the different products that you can sell using Printify. So go ahead and grab that account. Link is in the description. And finally, we have Shopify. Shopify is a fantastic way to sell print on demand, but it is not free, which is why I did not include it in this tutorial. If you are serious about growing your business and you want to have your own website to teach you the most, it's going to help you grow the most. And ultimately, it's going to have the biggest payoff in the long run because you can build an actual brand that you can sell. You can build an email newsletter that you can keep sending marketing and newsletters to with your customers so that you have reoccurring revenue. Lifetime value of your customer goes up. So having a Shopify store allows you also to build a social media presence and a social media empire and funnel that traffic into your Shopify store. So there are a lot of possibilities here, but ultimately it is one of the more costly ways to get started. I have a free Facebook group where we talk about how to make money with AI and with e-commerce and print on demand and different strategies for actually monetizing your AI skills. So there's a link for that. And also, if you need one-on-one coaching, I can help you with that. Anything specific that you want to look at, it could be anything from Facebook ads to your AI art designs and getting them listed, getting started on TeePublic. Whatever you need help with, I can do a one-on-one consultation with you. I'd be happy to help. I hope you have an amazing day. I hope you create something awesome. See you in the next video. Bye.